here's how to align objects to each other, to your artboard, and, well, we'll leave that a mystery till the end. Let's jump right in. Here I've got a skiing kitty, aka a skeety. Get it? Get it? Anyway, I've also got this turtle named Steve. So I've got two objects here. I've got a skiing cat and a turtle. If I select one of those objects, you'll see that I get these options up on the top of my window. And those are align options. And automatically when you only select one object, the default is going to be it's aligning that object to your artboard. I like to go up to window and choose align and use this panel here. It doesn't really make a difference. I just like it and it exists. So now you know. These 6 options up here are going to be your align options. So if you want it to align to the very left edge of your artboard, click that one. If you want it to align to the very center of your artboard, click that one. It's pretty straightforward, right? But what if you have 2 objects that you want to align together? Go ahead and hold shift and select your other object and go back to our align panel here, and it works the same way, except now they're aligning to each other. So if I click this horizontal one, they're going to meet each other in the middle. If I click once again this other middle one, technically they meet on the horizon, but it's called the vertical align center. You're going to see that they now drop down and meet each other. For those of you that already know how to do this, I'm going to give you one more tip and show you something that you may not know yet. But before I do that, I'm going to do what every YouTuber does and plead you to subscribe to my channel. But I'm not going to ask you, I'm going to serenade you with a song. Please enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need the views. Anyways, so enough of that. Let's get back to it. Now, we have, once again, our Skeety and Steve. But here's the thing. When we choose to align them together, you'll see that Steve moves down and our Skeety moves up. What if we didn't want that? What if we wanted one of them to stay stationary while the other one aligned to it? Let me show you something. If you select Steve, your first object, hold shift and select your second object. All right, it's normal up to this point. But now let go of the shift key and click on the object that you want to be the pinned object, the object you don't want to move. So without clicking any of the keys on your keyboard, no holding anything down, simply click on your first object, Steve, again, and you're going to see that he gets this blue outline around him. And now when we distribute our object, if we want our Skeety to go up next to him, only our second object is going to move. Our first object is going to stay stationary. What? If you enjoyed this video, I've got a few more on my channel that I think you'd like this video about 3 tips in Illustrator that, well, no one ever taught you. Now, I'm making content all the time, so be sure to subscribe. And with that said, I'm going to leave you with my swan song. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need the views.